Hi, it's Ashley, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create butterfly stamping nails. Start with a base coat. Apply your base color. Next, use a piece of tape to make sure that nothing is on your stamper. Next, apply polish to the stamping plate and use the scraper to scrape the excess polish off. Then, pick it up with the stamper. I prefer to use a clear stamper because it's easier to see where you're putting the image. Once you find a good spot, press down and roll the stamper across the nail. If you have any polish left over, use a piece of tape to get it off. For the best results, use nail polish remover to clean the plate up after each nail. You can repeat the same steps for any other stamping plate design. If you only want to use part of a design, use a piece of tape to get the parts that you don't want off the stamper. When the design is dry, add a top coat. And you're done! Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more nail and makeup related videos. Bye!